Like, honest to God.
New York City, lights out.
Can you send me
This
a
is,
video?
yeah, I will, definitely. This is after,
Look, Broadway, bitches.
this is Broadway.
No light.
We just turned off of Bleecker onto Broadway. This is after Hurricane Sandy. You know, Manhattan's down, but Brooklyn is lit up.
What's going to happen?
Brooklyn's the new Manhattan.
They're trying to get lights, seriously.
Yeah.
I'm not going until this guy stops. Okay, I'm going to be over.
It's wonderful that there are cops on every corner, making sure our city is safe.
Light us up! Light us up!
Light us up, bitches!
This is so weird.
Yeah.
Driving like a man.
So, like, all the high rises are out, too.
This is what, like, Armageddon looks like. Well, no, not Armageddon. But what is that when you're the last person on Earth?
Oh,
You know that movie?
yeah, I never saw it, but yeah, I know what you're talking about.
This must be what it looks like.
At night, yeah.
Huh?
At night. I was thinking. Is that the Chrysler building?
No.